Hello, my name is Celsi, and I'm teaching Tagalog and Cebuano in Italki. I'm from the Philippines. I live in General Santos City, also known as the tuna capital of the Philippines. It is also the hometown of Manny Pacquiao, the famous Filipino boxer. I am a teacher by profession. I am a mother of two kids. They are my motivation and inspiration. My techniques in teaching are very light and very easy. Throughout our lesson, you will never feel pressure or any anxiety which students mostly feel during classes. I teach students of all ages, as long as you want to learn Tagalog and Cebuano. Hello, kumusta po kayo? Sa gustong matuto ng Tagalog, mag-book po kayo ng lesson sa akin. Mag-usap po tayo. Madali lamang po ang techniques ng aking pagtuturo. Ug sa mga gustong makakaton og Cebuano, pwede mo mo-book og lesson uban kanako. Sigurohon nako na masayon ug madali ninyo makatunan ang lengguwahe. Book lang, magkita ta. So come, let's have fun learning together. Book a lesson with me and experience an easy but unforgettable way of learning. Thank you.